Hi guys, I'm GamerBoy999 the Dev here. I'm here with my first video on this channel. It's Devlog 0, my split screen game one shot. Now this is an unusual devlog because it's the first devlog of my game, but I'm actually publishing my game instead of creating it. So because I started work on one shot 2 months before this channel was made. So I only started recording footage like for YouTube videos as I was publishing my game. So I like using Unity to make one shot because it was really easy to learn. It only took me 2 weeks to learn the basics and another 2 weeks to learn the advanced stuff. And I'm not a professional game developer, so my game isn't very good looking, but it is fun. I leave a link in the description for you guys to check out my game. Maybe download and play with a friend. Okay, so while I was talking, my time lapse is showing that I first created a build folder and built one shot to Mac, Windows, and Linux. You know, all the usual platforms for like computers. So then I compressed all of them into a zip and uploaded their files into itch.io, which is like a game hosting site. And I filled out all the info for the page, stuff like genre and description. That took me about 15 minutes, mainly because I added a ton of tags and things, so lots of people would find my game. So you can just watch that here. So after that was done, I previewed the page and made it public. I made a few changes, like after seeing the description, I decided to change it because it was too short and didn't say enough about my game. And I also linked my Trello page, which you'll see here. Yes, I just showed you. And that's where I put the list of stuff to come in the next update and stuff that I did. And I linked it in the oneshotitch.io page. And so you guys could see what was coming up. And that was basically it. I was basically done, so I ended the time lapse. So there. Since you guys didn't get to see how I programmed one shot, I'll show you my programming process after this clip. Okay, maybe I was joking. It was actually more like this. So yeah, that's basically it for this video. Subscribe and turn on notifications if you want more content, and I'll see ya on the next video.